Friends, as you know by now, there is a day dedicated to just about everything, and today is no different. It is Fried Rice Day. Sounds like the perfect excuse to indulge, so Jacqui Denker is taking us behind the teppanyaki grill to cook up a few fried rice dishes you can make at home.
Tonight, we are skipping the line for takeout because we are cooking up fried rice at home.
Why do you think people love fried rice so much?
I mean, it's the flavor. It's really good.
Yeah, it is. I mean, point blank, it's good.
So to learn how to make 3 different fried rice dishes, we turned to teppanyaki chef at Kasai Japanese Steakhouse in Scottsdale, Arizona, Jesse Sosa. Before we dive in, let's make the rice for our base.
So is it the rice that really makes the difference?
Yes.
Start off with butter in a rice cooker, followed by pre-washed long grain and Calrose rice.
I love that sound.
Then in goes beef broth and chicken broth. Cook for 20 minutes on medium and let cool for a couple of hours before you make your dishes. Now it's time for the fun stuff. We're starting with a Korean-style fried rice.
We're gonna go ahead and put the oil.
Sunny side up eggs.
Spam.
Spam! Canned ham, right?
Canned ham, yes.
And they love it in South Korea,
They do.
apparently. I don't know how to feel about it.
Then add in your kimchi, which is a Korean-styled
Pickle veggie.
with lots of chili.
This is gonna bring
The flavor of
Yeah,
the fried
right.
rice.
In goes carrots, onion, toss in your rice, and of course we had to make it a shape.
mini. Making kids' fried rice dreams come true.
Mix, add a little soy sauce and sesame oil, top with the egg, garnish with seaweed, and boom.
Absolutely fantastic. I think I need to go buy Spam back. I never thought those words would come out of my mouth.
Moving on with chicken teriyaki fried rice. Start by adding oil and an egg, carefully. Then the good stuff, diced chicken breast.
We're gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of butter and just put it on top of that.
On goes snap peas, carrots, onion, and the rice. Toss butter in the middle and stir.
I don't know how you do this all the time. This is a skill.
Add a pinch of salt, pepper, a bit of soy sauce, and for the star ingredient, teriyaki sauce.
Teriyaki is a sweeter taste.
Sprinkle scallions on top, and you are done.
You can't get better than that.
Finally, we're ditching the meat for a vegetable fried rice.
We're gonna go ahead and start off with the oil first.
Then in goes baby bok choy, zucchini, some butter, snap peas, and an egg.
There you go.
Hey.
Scramble them up and set aside. Toss in corn, onion, carrots, add more oil, and then your rice.
Snap, crackle, pop.
Uh-oh.
Add green onions, butter, salt, pepper, soy sauce, and we are done.
It's good, right?
So good. We killed
did it.
We did it.
Cooking up fun in the kitchen with fried rice.
Still to come.